Are you over 40 and looking to boost your current income without quitting your day job? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into some of the best online side hustles which are perfect for those of us with a bit more life experience. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to making extra cash online. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a like. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. Let's get started with tip number 1, freelance consulting. Freelance consulting is a fantastic option leveraging your years of expertise to help businesses grow. Sites like Upwork.com and Fiverr.com are great platforms to help you get started. I recommend that you create a profile highlighting your experience and your specific skills. I also suggest you tailor your services to your strengths. For instance, if you have a background in finance, you could offer budgeting or financial planning consultations. You can provide concrete results and testimonials from past clients, which can help you to stand out more. But remember, it's all about selling your expertise. A well-written profile with clear service offerings can attract clients more quickly. I recommend that you charge competitive rates that reflect your experience but are also attractive to potential clients. Let's now move on to tip number 2, online teaching and tutoring. If you love teaching, online tutoring could be your ideal side hustle. Platforms like VIP Kid or Teachable allow you to connect with students all around the world. You can teach anything from English to specialised subjects in your field. I recommend you create engaging lesson plans and use interactive tools to keep your students interested. For example, you can use visual aids, quizzes and real-life examples to make learning fun and more effective. I recommend that you tailor your teaching style to each student's needs for the best results. I recommend you start by offering free introductory sessions to build a client base and gather some testimonials. Over time, you can increase your rates as you gain more experience and positive reviews. Teaching online not only provides extra income, but also offers a fulfilling way to share your knowledge. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is blogging and affiliate marketing. Blogging can be both enjoyable and profitable. I recommend that you choose a niche that you're passionate about, such as travel, finance or health, and start sharing valuable content. Platforms like WordPress make it very easy to set up a blog and start writing. Once your blog gains some traction, I recommend that you incorporate affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. Programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank or Share a Sale offer some great opportunities. I also recommend that you engage with your readers by responding to their comments and creating content that addresses their needs, their pain points and their interests. Building a loyal audience takes some time, but with consistency and quality content, your blog can become a reliable source of income. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products is another very lucrative online side hustle. This could be anything from ebooks to online courses. I recommend that you identify a problem that your target audience currently faces and create a solution in the form of a digital product. For example, if you have expertise and knowledge in project management, you could create a comprehensive guide or a course on how to manage projects more effectively. I recommend that you use platforms like Gumroad or Etsy to sell your products more easily. I also suggest that you promote your products through social media, email marketing and collaborations with other influencers in your niche. Offering free samples or previews can also help attract potential buyers and build trust in your online brand. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is virtual assistants. Virtual assistants or VAs are in high demand as businesses look to outsource many tasks. You can offer services like email management, scheduling, social media management and customer support. Websites like Belay or Virtual Assistant Jobs can connect you with many different clients. I recommend that you highlight your organisational skills and reliability in your profile. Clients are looking for VAs who can efficiently manage their tasks with minimal supervision. Providing examples of past experiences where you've successfully managed similar tasks can help you to land your first job. As a VA, you can work flexible hours and choose clients that fit your schedule. This makes it an excellent option for those seeking a side hustle that can be done alongside other commitments. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is online reselling. Online reselling involves buying items at a low price and selling them at a profit. Platforms like eBay, Poshmark and Facebook Marketplace are perfect for this. I recommend that you look for items at garage sales, thrift stores, or even clearance sections in retail stores. I then recommend that you research to find out which items are in high demand. For example, vintage clothing, electronics and collectibles often have a good resale value. Make sure to take high quality photos and write very detailed descriptions to attract more buyers. I also recommend that you keep track of your inventory and manage your sales more efficiently. Over time, you'll get better at identifying profitable items and negotiating prices, making online reselling a steady source of extra income. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is transcription services. Transcription services are ideal for those with good listening and typing skills. Convert audio recordings into written documents for various industries like medical, legal, or even media. You can use platforms like Rev or TranscribeMe, which are very good places to start. I recommend that you ensure accuracy and attention to detail in your work. Use transcription software to help you manage your workload and increase your efficiency. Offering specialised transcription services like medical or legal can also command higher rates. I suggest that you build a portfolio by starting with smaller, simpler tasks and gradually taking on more complex projects. High quality transcription can lead to repeat clients and more steady work. Let me now give you tip number 8, which is stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, I recommend that you consider selling your photos online. Stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock allow you to upload your images and earn money over every time that they are downloaded. I recommend that you focus on creating high quality marketable images. Trends like business settings, lifestyle shots, and nature scenes are always in demand. I suggest that you use good lighting and editing to make your photos really stand out. Regularly upload new content and diversify your portfolio, which will help you to attract a wider audience. Over time, your passive income from stock photography can grow significantly, providing a steady stream of extra revenue. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is print on demand. Print on demand, or POD, is a great side hustle for those with a creative flair. I suggest that you create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs and phone cases and sell them through POD platforms such as Printful, Teespring or Redbubble. These platforms handle the printing, the shipping and the customer service for you. I recommend that you start by designing unique, eye-catching graphics or slogans that resonate with a specific audience. For example, if you're passionate about gardening, creative designs featuring popular plants or gardening quotes would be a good idea to do. I recommend that you use tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator to bring your ideas to life. I suggest that you market your products through social media, online communities and even your own website. I recommend that you engage with your audience by sharing the design process, seeking feedback and offering limited time discounts. As your brand continually grows, you can expand your product range and increase your passive income stream. Now, the next thing to do, click the link in the description box below this video and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com to explore our comprehensive online courses and resources. They're perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and click the link below now to find out more. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energise me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description box below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.